Looking for expert water filter system, maintenance, service and repair in Edmonton? Kingstree Plumbing provides professional, reliable service to keep your water clean and safe. Over time, sediment and contaminants can clog your system, reducing water quality and efficiency. Our water filter system maintenance ensures your filtration system operates at peak performance, preventing costly issues. If your system is failing or needs urgent attention, our water filter system repair service restores performance fast. In Edmonton, water conditions can impact filtration effectiveness. That's why our team customizes solutions to meet your specific needs, ensuring long-term reliability and system efficiency. Trust Kingstree Plumbing for expert care, backed by experience and customer satisfaction. Keep watching to see why we're the top choice for water filter system maintenance, service and repair in Edmonton.